Pantherwave, Life Roller, and a Crown Vic. Man, just got an early Christmas gift. This is not sponsored. This is not paid for. This is just a pure, straight up gift given to me to support me with this YouTube channel. Right here is a Redtiger ultra clear 5.8 gigabyte Wi-Fi and GPS voice control dash camera with rear camera as well. Like I say, great box. Check it out here. 4K 1080p dual channel dash cam with the night vision as well, voice control, G sensor, and parking monitor as well. Like I say, it comes in a nice box here. Like I said, this is the Redtiger F7N Touch. Let's open it up. So it comes with your quick start guide. Comes with your instruction manual. So your user manual. And then also it comes with, I believe these are clear lenses, like anti-glare lenses that you put on the window. Maybe. I had to check them out, read more about that. And this is your main camera. Nice build quality. That's a temporary screen protector. Temporary screen protector. And this is your GPS unit along with your connection device, clamp for the windshield. Like I say, this will be installed on a 1999 Crown Victoria LX. And here's the connection unit. So this is a cigarette lighter connection point to the camera. I did see online that they had a hardwired connection as well. That you can hardwire to the battery, so that way you don't have this bulky unit just sitting on, for the Crown Victoria, sitting in your side of your car in the glove, in the cup holder area. So in the center of your cup holder, there is a connection point where you can plug this into. All right, and then also you have an auxiliary USB plug for your phone or any other devices while you have this plugged in. Alright, so here's your rear camera. Your rear camera feed. Like I say, this mounts in your back window. Like I say, this goes to any make and model. Currently, this will be installed on a 1999 Crown Victoria LX. Like I say, it gives you the tool to pry your interior pieces so that you can feed in your power wire. Well, this is for the rear mount camera. So this is your connection wire for the rear mount camera, and then also to hide this wire for the power source for your camera. And then it comes with this associated clips with 3M tape on it. So this allows you to tuck and hide the wires to make a streamless and seamless connection for your camera. Like I say, nice packaging, nice box. I don't even know how much it costs. It was given to me as a gift, so it does look like there's some quality to it. This is an early Christmas gift, so there's some quality. I didn't even look up the cost. I just opened it and let's get it mounted. Like I said, this is all your manuals, website information, and this quick start guide. There's different QR codes that you can scan using your phone. So there's an app that you can download. There's a settings connection point. It gives you the guidelines on how to mount the wires for your camera. So that's for the rear mount and also the front mount. So it looks like it's pretty straightforward installation. Hopefully it goes smooth for me. I don't break any pieces. Like I say, it's going into a 1999 Crown Victoria LX. And say this is Redtiger 4K Ultra Clear F7N touchscreen dash camera with rear mount camera as well.